Okay, it is Wednesday. We are doing item 10, page 24, 1 through 6. Let's do this. The tiny deer walked behind his mother on a narrow track. All right, I don't see any twos that need checking, but I see some wheres. Where's the tiny deer? Behind his mother. Where are they? On a narrow track. On what? On track. First word's a prep. Last word's a noun. Anything in the middle is an adjective. Notice this prepositional phrase has two adjectives, on and narrow. Okay. Number 2. The mother of the deer pulled the bark from the tree. I don't see any twos. I see a where from the tree. Okay. Now I'm going to think of my song. At the end of the song it says of, for, with. So I know of is a preposition. And go ahead and label it up. Number 3. The deer started to hide behind the trees. I see a 2. To hide. Hide is something you do. It is a verb. Where did the deer start to hide? Behind the trees. Here's the deer. It is behind the trees. Okay, I don't see any prepositions. The deer started. Nope. Number 4, after a time, the deer stopped behind a tree to rest. Okay, 2, check my 2. Rest is something that you do. It is a verb. Okay. When did this happen? It happened after a time. Where did it happen? It happened beside a tree. First word is a preposition. Last word is a noun. Anything in the middle. Is an adjective. Okay. Now, it is Wednesday. And I like to call Wednesday Workout Wednesday. So, what I want you to do right now, everyone first write Workout Wednesday. And don't forget to spell Wednesday correctly. Wed-ness-day. Now what I want you to do, I want you to get up, and I want you to do 10 jumping jacks. Right now, get up. Okay, ready? Do them with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, good job. Sit back down. Please do numbers 5 and 6. And maybe you should go ahead and do Thursday nights. Just a thought. Just a thought. Okay. Have a great night.